The American Legal Publishing Code Library website is responsive and dynamic. That means the size and shape of the website changes to match the size and shape of your screen. The content on the website reacts to your request, and the team at American Legal can update the codes instantly. If you are viewing the code library from a cell phone, the menu will be minimized. In the top left of the screen, you will see 3 lines, a hamburger menu, that opens the index of topics. You can navigate the index with the arrows. In the top right of each code chapter, and each section of code, there are 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will expand the code options menus. From here, you can print, share, and more. The topmost set of dots, the ones associated with the entire code, contain the search function. The search works the same in the smaller window view as it does the larger view. You may have to scroll up or down or side to side to view all the search features, but they will react to your commands the same. After performing a search, you can scroll to the bottom of your page to see the previous and next results navigation and the previous and next document navigation. To return to the Code Library main page, click on the American Legal logo at the top of the page. The tablet view of the website is similar to the cell phone view, but the links on the main page display in more than one column. The topic index is a minimized hamburger menu in the top left of the screen. The code options are still represented as 3 dots next to each code chapter, or section of code. The top 3-dot icon will take you to the search functions for the entire code. The search function's the same in all views, but you might have to scroll up or down or side to side to see all the functions. Scroll down to navigate between previous and next results and documents. You can return to the library main page by clicking on the American Legal logo at the top of the page. If you need technical support to use the American Legal Code Library, please call us at 800-445-5588 or email us at techsupport@amlegal.com. Thank you.